Assalamu'alaikum, warahmatullahi, wabarakatuh, brothers and sisters. Myself, Zaida Sachidina, welcome you all to our channel Nemat Islam, where we will discuss a very important topic which is much needed in today's time, all from the Quran and Hadith. So, are you ready to save your marriage or to make it even more blissful and at the same time be a Jannati? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Point number 5, serving her husband. This is a mutual duty or task of a wife and husband to carry out. However, if the husband is going out and working, it's obligatory on the wife to take care of the other end, like necessary management of the house and educating the children, preparing the meals and beds, and so on. She should take care of his household affairs and serve him when he comes home after a long day at work, making sure he is comfortable, in peace, and is given whatever he deserves. She should make it happen to the best of her ability and possibility to satisfy her husband. This makes the marriage to grow and long lasting. Today's women are so much into themselves that they land up neglecting their husband and children, and as a result, marriages are breaking. Marriage is a cooperation of both partners. They have to cooperate and function as one. However, a wife can mutually plan out the division of household work with her husband if he is willing to do so. Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith 6039, narrated by Al-Aswad. I asked Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu anha, what did Prophet peace be upon him used to do at home? She replied, he used to keep himself busy serving his family, and when it was time for prayers, he would get up and go. This shows men are also required to work and render services to his family. It's a sunnah of Prophet peace be upon him. Islam does not dictate household responsibilities to the wife alone. What is clear, however, is that the wife and husband both are very much welcome to come up with an agreement about who is responsible for this or that chore or job, and they coexist. I will end now with a beautiful hadith, Sahih al-Bukhari number 16. Prophet peace be upon him said, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah Almighty's sake will have the sweetness, the delight of faith. Ameen summa ameen, jazakallah khair.